Okay, special announcement on a leadership assignment. Now, this is going to be a group assignment, and the scenario is that your class has an opportunity to attend a summer study abroad trip to France. None of you knows much about France or how to get there, what to do when you get there, and so on. So you're going to think through what you need to do in terms of planning, organizing, deciding, communicating, motivating, and controlling. These are all terms that we're going to learn shortly in the leadership segment. So when you're completing this, you're going to ensure the following questions are answered. What dates will your group be leaving and returning? What cities will you be visiting? What airline will you take? How will your group get around France? And where will you stay while you're there? Now, the next three are bolded because they're often forgotten. How did you divide up the work for this project? Who took the role of leader and how was that determined? And then you're going to walk through the process of each of the steps: planning, organizing, deciding, communicating, motivating, and controlling. And you are able to submit your experience in one of the following ways: either present it orally and upload the video link, or you can turn in a written report. Now, I have divided the class into two groups. So those groups have been assigned, and you'll find them on the assignment as well. Scrolling down, you'll see how the rubric works, and really that there are only 10 points, only 5 points on those first couple of questions. And then the bulk of the assignment is really about the group dynamics and then reviewing each step: the planning, organizing, deciding, communicating, motivating, and controlling. Want to make sure that there's full group involvement, and then a couple of other ancillary things. So I've navigated to the student view, and on this left-hand side, if you click on people, you'll be able to scroll in case you forgot and see who's in your group, and then you should be able to go to everyone and send messages through Canvas that way, or otherwise. So this oftentimes questions that I get when we're doing this assignment. So I really look forward to the group presentation. I know sometimes people are unhappy that they have to work with a group because it's difficult to arrange schedules and be able to collaborate. I do admit it is a little bit more difficult in this online environment. However, I think it's important because this is a real life scenario that would come up. So it'll test your abilities as well as give you some learning, because the best way we learn is by practice. So enjoy the group assignment. It is not due until May 20th, so you have some time. I've designed extra time so that you can be able to work on those schedules, and I look forward to hearing about France and Paris from both groups, because I've always wanted to go there, and so I collect all my learnings as I hear from your presentations. Thanks so much.